Hello everyone, good morning. Guys, today we will discuss about the terms corrective action and preventive actions. In short form, they are known as CAPA, corrective action, and preventive actions. These are ISO 9000 series terms. ISO 9001 definition has been given in 2008 for the CAPA. Corrective action means when any non-conformance happen, so what we have to do, we go for to review what is the non-conformance and what action should we take to comply those non-conformances. These actions may be like first action is if there is a non-conformance, some material you have received and that material is not as per the specification what was specified with the supplier. So what you do, you can reject and ask him to replace the material. So this is the one action what was said in 2008, ISO 9001 2008. This is called corrective action, reject and replace. Second one is like there is one another type of non-conformance, like you did concreting of a pier and when you remove the shutter you found that there is some honeycomb, and for the honeycomb it was suggested that you will go for some repair work. So this is again one another type of action but you will take for corrective action. So this is the second one. First one was reject and you ask the supplier to replace the material. Second one is repair. Third one, I will tell you one another thing which is called accept as it is. Means whatever the things you have received, now we are in a situation that we cannot 100% reject it and replace it. Maybe some time constraint or something like that, some non-conformance happened and you cannot repair it. So what will be that type where you have to accept the material or the product or service as it is. I will give you one example, like you did the concreting for a pier and you casted the cube for 7 days 28 days. When you check 7 days cubes, you find strength was almost reaching to the requirement, and when you check the 28 days cubes, the requirement which was given over there, these are just like I will give you like M50 grade concrete. The requirement is you need at least 53 MPa in 28 days, but your strength is coming all the 4 sets now, it is less than 53 MPa, but it is around 51 MPa. Second set is 52 MPa, third set is 49 MPa, and for third one another set it is like 53 MPa. When you are averaging all those sets and you are finding strength is coming around 51.5 or 52, but still it is not reaching 53 MPa, which is the specification required, which is the specification given in IS 456. Now what you will do, there are some criteria given in IS 456. Okay, you will take actions and you will go for some core test or you will go for some NDT test, rebound hammer or ultrasonic pulse velocity. Okay, these are the things you can go for those things. Still you are finding after those things you are finding you are getting a strength less than 53 MPa. Then what you have to do, then in this case now you will not go for some to dismantle this structure because very near which is equivalent to 53 but it is less than 53. Then in this case now management decide and they talk to designer ki what should we do. Designer said ki yes, we can accept it, the FCK strength is 50, but as per the IS 456 we need 53 MPa. The specification is not fulfilling, but still we can accept it. In this case, this is the criteria what we said ki accept as it is. So I have told you 3 actions for the corrective action what was given in ISO 9001 2008. First one was reject and replace, first action for some items or services. Second, I have described repair work. Third, I described about the accept as it is. So these are the action. This was called corrective action. So what was the definition of preventive action? Preventive action was like now this non-conformance happened, and now you have to see what were the causes of those non-conformances, and you have to note down those causes and take the remedial action for those things. These causes now, when you will take some remedial action, you will take okay, these causes should not happen again. So if these causes will happen again now, so again same type of non-conformance may happen. That is why you are taking some remedial action to eliminate those causes. You are writing those things and implementing those things in your quality plan, maybe in method statements, maybe in design drawings and some specifications, and you are assuring that yes, everything has noted down and circulated to every team members, and the actions has been taken. Now you are assuring this type of non-conformance will not happen again. So this was known as preventive action. So before, in 2008, ISO 9001 2008, there were two things: CAPA, corrective action, and preventive action. But in ISO 9001 2015 now, some things are changed. They said there is no CAPA, there is correction and corrective action and preventive action. Now they said there are three things: correction, corrective action, and preventive actions. So what is correction? This is a new definition. They said corrective action is same what we were defining before as a correction is same what we were defining before as a corrective action. Means the remedial actions for the non-conformances what we are going to take means reject, replace, repair, or accept as it is. This will be known as correction. So what is corrective action? So they are telling what we were defining before now, preventive action, now it will be known as corrective action. Means what were the causes now for because of those causes that non-conformance was happened at site. To eliminate those causes, whatever the action we will take now, those were known before preventive action. Now these will be known as a corrective actions. Okay, then what is preventive action now? Why they are telling still there is a preventive actions? So they are telling preventive action will be used as a learning at the time of planning stage, when the project is as a planning stage and we are planning the work to execute the work. Still the work is not executed. We are in planning stage, we are writing down some of the things, though they are telling in the last project now, whatever the correction and corrective actions has been taken, these will be noted down in these were noted down in last project. We will take all those corrective actions and we'll discuss over here, and we will implement those corrective actions here, and these will be known as a preventive action at the time of planning in this project. Means here in this project non-conformance did not happen. What we are doing, we are just learning from our old project where we made some mistakes and non-conformances were happened, and to eliminate those non-conformances we have taken some actions, and those actions were noted down. Those actions now, those things what we were noted down at the time to eliminate those type of non-conformances and those eliminate causes of those non-conformances, here we will use in the planning stage, and we will say those corrective actions as a preventive actions, because preventive action definition is non-conformance did not happen. Non-conformance did not happen, but we are using old learnings we are taking old learnings and we are implementing those clauses that type of or those type of non-conformance should not happen in this project. So this will be known as preventive actions. Okay. I will close this video because almost 10 minutes happened, but I will define the examples in next video. Bye bye. Take care.